Hey everyone, you are Tesla Tom and welcome to my YouTube channel where we talk about all things Tesla, electric vehicles and renewable energy. If you're new to the channel, please take a moment to hit that red subscribe button, that way you stay informed of new content and also helps my channel grow too. What's the worst case scenario? You can just unsubscribe later. Today we're going to do some smart summon testing in the rain with our Tesla Model 3 Performance, all that and more right after this. Okay, let's do a smart summon in the rain. Alright, we're just a bit out of range, so let's move closer to the vehicle. Okay. Press and hold start. This is always fun to see. Oh, we know it works in the rain. Stop for a second there. I'm not moving, I'm going to stay right here. Waiting for pedestrian. See that? Release the button to stop your vehicle. Summon complete. And the speed limit's on the phone now too. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is to try and get the car to go away from us. So we are here with the car here. The target's just here, so let's move that over there. Alright, let's press and hold. Let's see what happens. You see the gears there on the screen, reverse, and it's going at 3 kilometers an hour. Alright, summon complete, cool. Okay, so the final test I want to try in the rain is the come to me function, so I'm hoping the car can follow me like a minion behind us, so let's just keep walking this way. I guess I've got to walk faster than the car and follow. Waiting for path to clear, it says. .5 kilometers an hour. That's what it's telling me. I could do this all day, but I'm gonna stop soon, I guess. It says here, waiting for path to clear. If I stand too close to it, it says waiting for path to clear, right? What if I go like, what if I do this? What if I just sort of walk around? What's the car going to do then? Oh, okay, summon complete. So I try to walk behind the car and it won't let me do that. Alright, cool. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. Where have you tested out Smart Summon in your Tesla? Leave a comment below. If you enjoyed that video, please leave a like, really appreciate that, and also subscribe if you haven't done so already. Alright guys, thanks for watching, stay safe, and until next time, happy charging.